Hi, Michael here with Nextzett USA. The number one mistake that people make when using our weather seal conditioner, Gummi Pflege Stift.
Don't squeeze the bottle to try to get the fluid to flow. This could cause the foam applicator sponge to pop off and cause the contents to come out. When you press the foam applicator sponge against the weather seal, it depresses this actuator, causing the fluid to flow. Press the foam applicator sponge against the weather seal, slightly squeeze the bottle. Once the fluid flows, release, and then glide across the weather seal.
After you're finished, go ahead and take like a shop towel or a paper towel and just pat it down to get any excess liquid out. And this will help the sponge applicator last longer. When used the right way, Gummi Pflege is fast, simple, and easy to use. For more information about Gummi Pflege and our other products in our line, visit us at nextzett usa.com.